In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to your Wix site, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Getting HTML code onto your Wix website is a straightforward process that can allow you to customize your site far beyond what's available through the regular options. Whether you're embedding a custom form, adding an interactive map, or doing something as simple as installing a widget, knowing how to add HTML code can be incredibly useful. First things first, you'll want to head over to Wix and log into your account. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is your central hub for all the administrative tasks related to your site. From the dashboard, the next step is to click on Edit Site. This will take you into the detailed editor where you can make all the adjustments and modifications you desire. Now that you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Here you'll see an option that says Please Add. This button is your gateway to inserting new elements and features on your web page. Click on it and a menu will expand with various components and options. Within this menu, look for the section labeled Embed and Social. This is where you'll find the tools to embed external content. Click on Embed Code and you'll see a gray HTML box appear on your screen. This box is essentially a container that will hold your HTML code. Click on this gray HTML box, and a new option will appear prompting you to enter code. This is your cue to input the HTML code you've prepared or obtained. Go ahead and paste or type your code into the provided space. You can include HTML and often CSS or JavaScript, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Once your code is entered, you have the option to apply or update it with a simple click. By doing this, Wix processes your code and integrates it into your site's design. This step is crucial, as it allows you to see how your new feature will look and function within the context of your existing site layout. After applying the changes, you'll notice that the HTML element box can be resized. Click and drag the edges to adjust its size, making sure it fits well within your page. This helps ensure that your new code displays without issues, keeping your site user-friendly. With everything set up neatly, take a moment to review your page. Make sure everything looks just as you envisioned. If you're satisfied with how it all appears, it's time for the final step. Click on Publish to make your changes go live. Congratulations, you've successfully added HTML code to your Wix site.